Castellano, qué bueno baila usted. Castellano, qué bueno baila usted. Castellano, qué bueno baila usted.
Creo que tú no te has ido venir de este mundo tan hermoso. Quien olvida la figura de este cantante famoso. Pasarán generaciones para dejar de recordarte.
The most important thing for every dancer is dancing to the bass. If you listen to music from the floor, listen, it's no bass.
Castellano, qué bueno baila usted.
Castellano, qué bueno baila usted.
And listen now.
Baila usted.
Bam, bam. Bass, 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 bass. Bam, 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 da dam, dam.
Creo que
Bass,
tú
bass,
no te has ido
bass,
venir
bass.
de este mundo tan hermoso. Las cantaste,
Bass will give you everything because it's the heart of the song, of the salsa song, Oscar de Leon. If you want to dance more in salsa, if you want to express more, express yourself, I highly recommend start to dance to the rhythm. You are a dancer, not a musician. Why? We need to understand that every instruments play in and around the clave. Clave is not only the instrument, it's the rhythm, most important rhythm. This is the soul of salsa. And I highly recommend start to dance first to the bass, because this bass is always in every song. I dance, I like, exaggerate and mark bass like that. And 3, 4, and 7, 8, and 3, 4, and this is between 2 and 3. 2, this is the upbeat, and this is between upbeat and downbeat. Means you must be fast. This is quick, so quick, just the mark. And now this is the downbeat, now this is the upbeat, 4, 4, and relax to the 5. And 7, 8. This is the simply. And 3, 4, 5. And 3, 4. And 7, 8. And 3, 4. And 7, 8. First bar and second bar is the same, but it is beginning. If we want to be more dynamic, you must combine three rhythm: bass, conga rhythm, and clave wave. Okay, this is the bass. Look and follow with me.